2500 watts. Zach, what are we working on today? Oh, what is that? Oh, what's wrong with that one? You want to see the other side? Want to see how bad the other side was? I'll show you the other side of this thing. Want to show them that? Show them that one. This one's bad. Oh! I'm going to be rebuilding the full front end on this truck, but that's not going to be the main video, okay? Once we're done with this, we're going to go do some dumb stuff in the Mustang again. But dumb stuff means passes. Let's see how fast the draggy's going to tell me how fast I'm really going to go. And this weekend, we're going back to the track, and I really want to do some street racing, so stay tuned. Alright, let's do some inventory here. Alright, it's a box. Another box. Alright, yeah, box inside a box. Use the red tool for the right job. Alright, so we got sway bar, inner, sway bar, inner, outer, upper control arm that Zach wants to break, upper control arm, either pitman or idler. I don't know what that is. Something. Both lower ball joints.
That's pitman. That one's idler.
Idler, and they gave me gloves. Wow, cool. And
Directions have a hole.
We'd love to hear from you. Spray. All right. Bada bing, bada wow. All right, well, we're gonna take a break. We got the water here for the burnout. Zach's gonna be filming. Now let's go ahead and go to the spot. Let's go to Mexico. Mexico. Mexico.
You boys like Mexico? Yeah!
Alright, hopefully I can data log just a little bit as I'm doing this. I really gotta see, because guys, this Saturday or Friday or Saturday, my boost controller actually gets here, and my cutoff switch for the battery gets here too, so I'm gonna install both of those and pretty much start tuning for higher boosts. Right now I'm at 14 pounds. I make like 0 in first gear because I launch so slow. Second gear I make about 7, and then third gear I'm all the way full open at 14 PSI, and that's when this thing really takes off. Ow, thank you! Let's head to the spot. Alright, this is no burnout. Let's see what I RPM. 22. Alright, well, I think I saw 25 or 26, maybe, possibly, I don't know. That's the shitty part, is I don't know. But do you think it felt like it held and it just spun?
Yeah, it spun all the way to like halfway through second.
Oh yeah, it was
maybe
bad. Like that's, I've never felt it spun. I drove that one. Damn, alright, let's try it one more time. Alright, let's try this one more time. Keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on this guy, okay?
Something smoking.
Oh yeah, it's always something smoking on this thing. Oh yeah. Yep. Light.
We got a good shot of that. Good shot of that. Oh.
What? Oil?
Something. Probably oil. I'm not touching it, but yeah, it looks like it blew apart the dipstick? Is that what that is? No, that's tape.
Yeah, that's tape. Here, let's get the hood off. I think the dipstick. Yeah. I think the dipstick, the little hole I have here, probably had too much pressure. Cool. Everything's still leaking, guys. So, cool part is, that was a really fast pass. Sad news is, there's oil everywhere. So that
definitely needs some turbo blankets. I guarantee that's what's probably doing it.
Yeah. The oil and stuff not helping. Yeah. Alright, well, let's get this bad girl home and before it blows up. I'm finally fast enough to spin my radial, Zach. I ain't slow no more. What do you think? Do you think that was spinning just a little bit?
A little bit?
On the launch. Do you think it was spinning on the launch?
What do you mean a little bit on the launch?
No, like building up on the...
No, I think you hit 2,700.
Maybe.
You'd be able to hear it spin.
Maybe.
And feel it, and we did not feel, I did not feel anything.
Maybe it's my imagination. Fucker. Alright, let's go home. Well, look at that, chilling at 190 after... How long do you think we were driving, Zach? How long do you think?
At least 30 minutes. 30 to 45 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
We were driving a good amount. You're not gonna lie, because we could not find a friggin' spot at all.
And it wasn't just like soft driving either, it was hard.
Well, that was fun. That was fun. All right, well, we'll pick this up tomorrow.
Well, I wanted to take the Fox this morning. Sad news is I can't even find the key.
What? Yeah. Put my seatbelt on. Wait for this car to pass.
Alright, guys. Here we go. One more time. Right over here.
Solid. Let's see how long these go. Time lapse. Probably shifted the second. About here. Nope, finally hooked up. It's a good like 100 feet probably.
2,500 watts.
Looking over here, and then as soon as I turned this way, we were just like super over to the right.
Close.
I was like, oh,
I fucking drove it!
Yeah, that works pretty good.
Yeah, that looked really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little jealous about that. That was pretty nice. Nice! Awesome! Apparently my brake lights are on all the time. I can't tell because I'm driving the car. So we know the Mustang is working now. We just obviously need to stop spinning. We probably just need to do a longer burnout and pretty much just dial in that. But I think right now It works. Hopefully this Friday or Saturday, whatever day it was, hopefully it doesn't rain. We can go to the track, we can dial this thing in, see how fast this thing truly is. And I need to do the strut towers. I keep forgetting that. But besides that, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you guys are new. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.